start doing a bit of rabbit hunting. I don't know if it's going to look as good on this. It's obviously a lot darker and pinker looking, but yeah, just beautiful sky. But if you ever wanted to know how to make a snow shelter, check this out. See if we can get down here alright. And when I was driving in, the military was driving out with all kinds of gear. I figured they must have been doing exercises or something, but yeah, were they ever? Look at this. Everybody home? Yeah. Enough room for one or two guys to stay warm and survive in it. Pretty cool. Yeah, they did it right by the textbook too, I'd say, by the looks of things. Pretty neat. See if we can get down here so you get a little bit of perspective on it. But yeah, all it takes is snow. Personally, just for the coziness factor, I think I'd prefer something with a fire in front of it, but I got a funny feeling that would more than do you, especially in these temperatures. It's been kind of gross. It's only like -1 or -2 today. Last week was nice and cold. Last week was cold enough I had to strip my guns down and get them ready for winter, but not now. Yeah, well, get up here a little further. There's a lot of people back here today, so I think if I do get a shot at anything, it's going to be back off the beaten trail a little bit. Oh well, I just thought I'd share that with you. Here's the Bushcraft North of 60 official vehicle. Old Molly. She came with the name. Actually, I think whoever we bought it from, their kid probably just scratched it into the fender here. Yeah, and there's Molly. I'll see you guys on the trail.